Cardano pushes to surpass $1 this month, as Bitgert explodes 10x. As the crypto industry enters the second half of 2022, Cardano and Bitgert are two crypto projects crypto investors need to watch. These are two coins that might do well this month, according to crypto analysts. The Cardano and Bitgert massive upcoming developments will be the biggest drivers. Here are some facts about the Bitgert and Cardano prices that will grow their prices. The live price of Bitgert is 3 times 10 to the power of -$7 per Breeze/USD. 24-hour trading volume is $597,044.81. Bitgert is plus 0.89% in the last 24 hours. Bitgert. Looking at Bitgert, crypto analysts have projected one of the largest growths. The Bitgert coin is expected to explode 10x this month, larger than Cardano growth. The reason for this Bitgert growth is the massive developments that Bitgert is about to release in the next few weeks. The already delivered Bitgert products are also expected to enable Bitgert to perform better than Cardano. The Bitgert BRC20 blockchain is a major Bitgert product that will skyrocket Bitgert price. Bitgert BRC20's zero gas fee feature will still make it the most adopted blockchain this month, hence better performance than Cardano. However, crypto experts believe that the Bitgert Bridge, Bitgert Roadmap V2, and the Bitgert-backed projects will be key in skyrocketing the Bitgert price this month. The Bitgert USDT/USDC bridge is already receiving massive adoption. These are reasons why Bitgert is expected to explode 10 times this month. Cardano. The live price of Cardano is $0.4473493 per ADA/USD, today with a current market cap of $15.18 billion. 24-hour trading volume is $449.87 million. Cardano is -1% in the last 24 hours. It has a circulating supply of $33.93 billion. The Cardano price might surpass the $1 mark this month. This projection is made based on the Cardano developments that are coming up. The Cardano Vasil hard fork, which is now on the Cardano testnet, is expected to skyrocket Bitgert price. The Vasil hard fork is going to make the Cardano chain faster and lower the gas fee. So Cardano blockchain will experience mass adoption after the Vasil launch. The Cardano ecosystem's fast growth is another factor that will skyrocket Cardano's price. The Cardano DeFi ecosystem is projected to do very well. With a faster chain and lower gas fees, Cardano is preparing for mass adoption. So Cardano will definitely grow as the demand for the Cardano chain increases. So Bitgert and Cardano are two coins to watch this month.